Hello students, good morning to all. So today we will continue our discussion of lesson 9 app development. In the last class we have discussed uh, about the introduction to the apps and the types of the apps, desktop apps, web apps and the mobile apps, and also about the different types of the software present in the form of the desktop, as a desktop app, as a web app or the mobile app. Now, in the continuation of that, some media players, which is also available in the three forms, that is the desktop app, web app, or the mobile app. Now, some media players you can see as some media players, which is available with the help of the desktop application as a VLC player to play the music or videos. Window media player are some examples of the uh, desktop application. Now, see the web application, which directly over the internet you can play, you can use it. Many sites offer these services like the YouTube only you can see, which allow you to play the music, video, listen to the radio, and even watch the TV while online. That is the popular one. What YouTube only. So this you are also allowed access to this content of the web-based applications. So now in the mobile application, see this media players included as a standard app on all the smartphones. You will find the media player like the VLC player, MX player, also available, and they allow you to play your own media. Some even support search and download the features. Now the Google Maps. See, over the desktop application, Google Maps can be downloaded on the desktop computer. So we can download the Google Map for the desktop also. And the browser-based Google Map can also be accessed by typing the maps.google.com over the address bar of the browser. And this maps.google.com will be open. And the Google Map is available on the Google Play Store also. Okay. So let us see that how we can find this maps.google.com in the address bar of the browser. So let me open the browser. I'm opening one browser, that is the Chrome, and here I can show you by typing maps.google.com, maps.google.com. Okay, now see this, you find maps.google.com, Google Maps. Okay, so when I will click on this link, see this Google Map is open. So that is the what web-based service, because I have not downloaded this application in my computer, in my laptop. Okay, understand? Like this, it is showing the places. See, it is Hyderabad, and you also see the detailed information of the Hyderabad. So you can see it in the Hyderabad Charminar. See, you can see this is the Charminar. Now the closed map you are getting some information about the Hyderabad. It's capital C, Telangana. Okay, so now we move to our topic. So this the Google Maps is also available on the Google Play Store. So you can open the Google Play Store and there also you can download in your mobile. So now we move to the topic classification of the mobile apps. So the mobile apps is classified as native app or the hybrid app. So mobile app is also classified into two categories. That is the native app and the hybrid app. So what are the native apps? So the mobile apps which are developed for a particular operating system and device only. Means the app which is developed for the our Android only. So it will work on the Android only. It cannot work on the iOS operating system. It cannot work on the Microsoft operating system like the Nokia's. So this is because each device have a different specification. Some device containing GPS, some has the dual SIM or cameras, some having some different sizes of memory. Some have the services of Bluetooth, some have the services of the Wi-Fi, some have the services of the NFC. So that is called the near field communication. So these native apps are designed specially by as per the requirement of the device specifications. So such applications are called the native applications. So most native apps are comes pre-installed onto the new phone, because that are bundled with the new phones with the hardware. So whenever we purchase a new phone, some app we get pre-installed, already installed. We don't have to install from the Play Store. Such apps are called the native apps. So some native apps which can run on the device without the use of the internet, but the others may need the internet facility or full functionality. And some apps are also such that which run on the device without the internet, and some needs the internet connections. So these native apps are designed for a particular platform, means for a particular device, for a particular operating system. So each device identity is based on its operating system only, which type of the operating system that device, that mobile is using. And to design a native app are expensive to develop and maintain. Next is the hybrid app. So these hybrid apps contain the features of both the web applications and the native applications. So these apps can be downloaded from the Play Store or the App Store and installed on the device. Any device you can install. So these apps require the devices to be connected on the internet. First, internet connection is needed. Without internet, this such type of the hybrid applications will not work, because these are have the features of web apps also. So hybrid apps can be stored partly on the local device and partly on the remote server. So whatever the requirement of the at present, that much code, that much part of the file will be sent by the remote server to the client. Some hybrid applications can be operated offline, also by using cached pages, or however they have the limited functionality offline. So this means what some such hybrid applications are there which can work offline also. Means some part of the pages, some sizes of the file is present in the cache memory of the mobile or the computers. So what will happen? So if your requirement is satisfied till that only, whatever the things you want to access, if it is present in the cache pages, so it will work offline also. So but you will get a limited functionality of during the offline. Like we are playing a game, sometimes you are playing a game. So suppose certain level you are at R, and if the first level will be over, then only you need to go to the second level. Then second level request will be sent to the remote server, and the second level file will be sent to your device. So till the first level, now what the first level file is sended by the remote server, that is present in your cache memory. Now with the help of that, just you are without internet, now you can play that level 1. So many most popular gaming app like the Candy Crush is a hybrid app, and that can be played on a mobile phone as well as on the web also. So by downloading, you can play this game without internet, and you can play over the internet also. Some common applications. So apps become so prevalent today. So there are so many apps, and apps become so prevalent today that suitable can be found for almost any job. So for different job, for different applications, we are installing our mobile app for reading the PDF file that already is needed, for uh, creating a document, Google document application we download on our mobile. So similarly for searching web pages from browser like Google Chrome, we download or install in our devices. So there are so many types of the applications are there regarding the job. So whether it is for learning, entertainment, social interaction, or even banking and e-commerce, there is an app for every purpose. We get the app like the Byju's app for learning, and for the entertainment, many applications are there. For the social interactions, like the Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. For the banking services like the Paytm, Google Pay, all these are. And for the e-commerce, for shopping purpose, so many like the Amazon and Flipkart applications are there, which you can download and you can use it. Okay. So now we move to the next topic. That is the educational apps. So we'll study about some educational apps. What are the apps which will help for you the education? As you can see, this is the Khan Academy app, which is the educational app. Hmm. So this is the educational apps. So with the see increase of the mobile technology, many apps for the learning become fun. So by with the help means we can say learning with entertainment. So you are getting entertainment also, and you are learning something also. So there is a rapid spread of the education to the remotest corners of the world. So how to every corners which are not in the reach of the good universities, into the reach of the teachers, by sitting one place now teachers can teach to all the students, to many students, like with the help of the application. Now here also we are teaching the online by sitting at my home. Now my lectures you can visit with the help of the school website. So this is possible that by sitting at home now we are now you all the students are studying. That is with the help of the educational applications. Now today the students in the far-flung villages means the students who are living in the villages can easily also they can also access the high quality educational resources. They can also use the educational applications. Khan Academy app they can use, Byju's they can use. So there are apps for all levels of learning, for the junior levels, for the senior levels, for the higher levels. So apps not only help us to learn the new concept, but also what it shows what being taught in the classrooms. So this helps you to learning also, and also is show us that what we can teach in the classrooms. That also you can record it and you can go through that lectures or videos several times. Okay, so students of all age groups can access this uh, information, this lot of educational information on any topic. Educational apps are equally useful for both the students and teachers. This helps to the teachers also, this helps the students also. For the teachers, it helps to prepare the study material for to prepare the teaching materials. So teachers able to distribute the study materials quickly, conduct tests like the Google Classroom. On that, we used to upload the study materials. We used to upload the answers of the exercise questions. Sometimes by making a Google form, we take the online tests also. And we grade the students by using these apps like the Google Classroom and the Kahoot is the most popular app. So parents also make the use of these educational apps and they interact very closely with the teachers and the monitors to the progress of their children, and then they monitor the progress of their children. By visiting the app, they can see the performance of their students, of their wards, that how much they have scored in the test. As you can see, this is the game. Candy Crush is the game. The players complete the levels by swapping colored pieces of candy on a game board to make a match of the three or more of the same color by eliminating and replacing those candies with a new one, which could potentially create the further matches. So in the Candy Crush game, those who are playing, they are knowing how to make the matches by swapping the colored pieces of the candy. Next application is the social networking. So in the world, it is increasingly social. In a world that is increasingly social and open, and how the world becomes so social and so open with the help of the social media only. Now, by sitting at home, many persons are connected with the big stars and big cricketers, big, or we can say the famous sportsmen. And this social media plays a significant role in the communication. Previously, without the social media, it is not possible to interact with the Bollywood or Hollywood uh, heroes or actors or actresses. Nowadays, you are following, you are writing your comment on their posts. So, with the help of this social networking, they are also giving their reply. Social media application let you post the images, videos, and other updates to your profile. So with the help of this social media application, what you are doing? You are posting some images, you are posting some videos, and you are also giving information about yourself by creating your online profile, your online identity, in which you are uh, placing your image or writing your information, date of birth, or other thing, your achievements, your education, such informations you are adding over the internet. There are several types of the social networking apps available today, and the most of the popular social networking application is what WhatsApp and the Facebook. Okay, so like WhatsApp and Facebook are the most popular social applications. So this about 1.5 billions of users are using this WhatsApp. This is the most popular instant messaging applications. And this WhatsApp at the starting time only we are able to do the text messages only. But nowadays over the WhatsApp we can make a high quality voice calls also as well as video calling so also. But at the starting time of the WhatsApp means if we go back around 7 years back, so at that time it was not possible to make a video call or voice call. Next, the Facebook. Facebook with nearly 2.23 billion active users. So most used application is the Facebook only. So it is Facebook is used by 2.23 means just double of the we can say of the WhatsApp users. And this Facebook allows all the registered users to create their profile. Over the Facebook also we create our own profile. We post the comments, exchange information, share link, photographs, chat, play games. Just a minute. Sorry. So next is the Twitter. Now this Facebook is you are knowing that initially the Facebook was the PC based only over the laptop or computers only we can use the Facebook. Now the Facebooks are available in the mobile as a form of the mobile applications also. Now we can use the Facebook on the mobile phones and tablets also. And in some mobiles and tablets Facebook, this software is bundled with the phone only, means pre-installed application as you can get in the mobile phones or tablets when you are going to purchase a new one. Next, the Twitter. This Twitter is also a very popular social networking applications where the people communicate by writing the short message which is called tweets. Initially, the Twitter has a limitation of 140 characters you can make a tweet. But due to the use of the smartphones nowadays, this limitation is increased up to 280 characters you can tweet. Some other social networking applications like the Instagram, LinkedIn. Instagram is also another app used for social networking, and this app specializes in sharing of the photographs. Over the Instagram, we share our photographs to each other. So this is a very popular application for sharing the photographs. Instagram, LinkedIn is a networking app, and this is specializes in the sharing of the business and professional information. So over this LinkedIn website, uh, we create our profile. Means the employer also create their profile, and the employee also create their profile. Now employees are searching the job for the employment and the employer are searching their employees. So both the persons are using this LinkedIn app. Reddit. This Reddit is a social news aggregate app, and this the registered users can upload the news. The person who is registered over this Reddit app, so they can upload the news stories or links, and other users can read these stories by voting them up or down. So when suppose if you have written a good poem and you have uploaded on this, so other persons will read it and give their voting. So the stories with the most of votes are moved to the top of the category on this. Okay. So This is all for the today students. So in the next class, we'll continue about the other applications like the entertainment applications. So this is all for today. Thank you for your kind attention.